Hello. Yeah. So let's see how we can create because we have two slider and I make another slider but forget to on the audio button. That's why my voice is not recorded. So I'm remake my video again. Okay. So I'm creating the another sliders. Here is three slide. So I'm going to add a new slide. So I just you can add in by clicking in new slide by clicking here. You can see you can use image blank, your post and dynamic slide. Okay. So I just and also you can duplicate this slide. Okay. So I'm duplicating this slide. Okay, just click on three dots and you can see the duplicate option. Just click on duplicate, then you can see it's a duplicate. Okay, and I just drag in the three option. Okay, so here is the three slide one, two, three, and four, and now it's four. Okay, so this is our slide, slide number three. Okay, I just so let's see how we can customize this slider. Okay, so for customize, you have to click on edit, then you can see the smart slider is open. It's slide number three. Okay, you can see here is the content and the slider. Okay, so at first we will change the background. Okay, so here is the background image, but now we will change this image to a simple background color. Okay, so for change the background, you have to click the slide section. Okay, you can see here is slide section. When you hover on this, you can see the slide section. Okay, and after the slide you can see the content section, then you can see the column. Here is the two row, sorry, here is the on row and two columns. So first column is here and second column is here. Okay, and this two column is wrapped by one row. Okay, so now we'll change the background color. So we have to click the slides option because it's background. So when I click on the slide option, then I can see the image link. Okay, so you can use this image two ways. Okay, you can add your image link on here, and if you want to use, and another way is if you want to use the your WordPress images from your media library, you have to click the plus button. Okay, when you click on plus button, you can see the media library is open and your all images you can see on here. Okay, so you can use image on this option. Okay, but now we will use the image, we will use the color, background color. So we'll remove this image. So I just click on cross button, you can see the image is gone. Okay, and now we will use a color for the background. Okay, so you can see the color option, just click on it, then you can see lots of color and also color fit options. Okay, so I just click on it, then you can see the color change, background color. You can see when I change it to black, you can see the black color. And this color, or which color you want. Okay, okay, so now we use this color. Okay, because we use this as a demi purpose. Okay, also you can use a gradient color. Okay, you can see the gradient color, color int, Here is the black, so you can see the black color and the white color and the gradient direction. You can change it. Okay, so this is the gradient directions. Okay, also you can use overlay color, but we don't use the overlay color. So our slider background is okay. Now we will move to the text and this image and button options. Okay, and also we will responsive, how we can make it responsive. Okay, so now we'll change this image. Okay, so for change this image, just you have to click on it, then you can see the image link. Okay, so similarly, like the background image. Okay, now we will add a new image from our media library. So I'm going to click on the plus button. Now I'll choose the this image. Okay, it's a dummy image, so we use this image for learning purpose. Okay, so okay, so here is the image. If you want, you can add any link of the image. When you click on image, then the URL will be open. Okay, so if you want, you can use any link. Okay, and also you can see the styling option. Okay, here is the style box with with margin height and margin padding. Okay, design index, class name. So you can change your style from here. So you do not want to change this image anything. Okay, so I just close this pop-up. Now I will change the text. So here is the heading text, and this tree is text editor. Okay, I'm in the text option. Okay, so this heading and this text editor are similar. Okay, so I just change this event color background and everything. Then it's similar to this. That's why I don't want to change this thing. Okay, if you want, you can change this. Okay, so I'm just click event for select this event option. You can see the heading. Here is the heading. Also, if you want to add any element, you have to click on the add layer, and then you can see the row, heading, text, button, image, premium, YouTube. But this 7 is free, available only free version, and here is a lot of elements. But for this you have to buy the premium version. Okay, for this slider we can make the we can make this slider which you tell me to make. I can see the premium, the free version is enough for this design. Okay, so I'm going only the free version. I have no the premium version. Okay, so now I'm going to change the style of event. So I click on event, then the pop-up is open. The heading pop-up, you can see the background color is transparent. You can also use any background color of the related elements. Okay, so I'm going to use the white color. You can see the white background color. Border radius, you can use any border radius. Okay, sorry, border, and you can change the border color to uh, okay, so you can see the border color solid, dotted, grove, whatever you want, range. Okay, This is the border color. You can change also the border radius. So here is the border radius. Just click on it, then you can see the border radius of the element. Okay, and padding, if you want, you can use any padding of the element. This element take sorry, this element, you can see the padding is adding on the event block. Okay, here's and now I'm going to change, and this is the font family. You can change any font family from here. Okay, the bands, and here is the pay, here is the size. You can increase and decrease the sizes. Okay, and when you hover on it, if you want to change the color, just you click, you can see the text box, just click on hover, and then you have to change the color. Okay, so when you hover on it, then you can see the text color is going to black. Okay, let's see, it's this one. Okay, so you can see the color is changed and working fine. Okay, so heading is okay, maybe. Okay, you can also change the text decoration. When you click on it, then you can see in the hover, only for hover changes the text decoration. For the text option, you can change, so you click on it, then you can see when you hover it move to previous direction. Okay, you can also use the opacity for this. Just use opacity. Okay, so heading is okay, maybe. And for the text is similar trading, and you can see the alignment, text alignment. Okay, here is the justify, here is the right, here is the center, here is the left, and here is the none. Okay, so we're going to use the center. Let's go to the text option. Heading and text are similar, and everything is similar to heading and text. Okay, so I think it's not need to show you how you can edit it. Okay, you just click on content, then you can change the content on here. Okay, now I'm going to add a new button, and I'm designing the button similar like this. Okay, so I just click on add layer, then I just drag the button in the below view calendar. Okay, so when I click on it, then I can see the button is selected. Okay, so at first, view the calendar. Okay, I'm changing the title. Okay, I add the text for showing you the difference between these two. Okay, and then I'm clicking on the full width, because this button also the full width. Okay, and here is the link. I'm not going to the change link. Okay, so this is the link. Now I'm going to the color. Okay, so here it is the font family. Okay, at first I'm going to add some margin. Okay, so 10 margin every slide. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm change the background color of the button. So the background color is uh, let's see, not enter. Okay, maybe this one. Okay. Okay. So background color change. Okay. So I just use the padding and the font size. Oh, sorry. No, that's I think cool. Maybe 18 is perfect. Okay, calendar. Okay. So the border radius. I'm going to use the border radius. Border radius. Border radius. Okay. So here is the 10 now. Maybe 50 pixel. Okay. So it looks pretty good. Now the view this calendar button is font rate bold, so we have to change the font rate 400 to 600. Maybe that's fine. Okay, and when you hover on it, it's the background color into black, so I'm changing the hover option and background color is black. Okay, perfect. Oh, sorry, I have to change this. So I'm going to redo this and on hover it will be black. Okay, so on hover it will be black. Okay, that's it. So the button is working for so the button is similar like this. I'm just trying to know you the elements of the button. Okay, how you can customize this. That's the main goal of me. Okay, so if we open the slider, we can see the four slider is working and our and we design the number of three slider. Okay, so this is the two and it's three. This is the calendar, the event and emails and everything. Okay, so these all are good. Okay, so I think you properly understand. These all are drag and drop. And one thing, I think you have to see if you want to use any custom CSS of the slider plugin. Okay, of the slider design, you have to go the dashboard and setting options. Okay, then you can see the editor additional CSS file. Okay, so all smart slider related CSS you can write on here. Okay, and it will change. Okay, on your front end. So I think everything is okay. If any problem, kindly text me. I'll try to more clear again and again. Okay, so thank you. mm, Bye bye.